How to transfer your videos to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to Dropbox on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then just click this one, next, and now Dropbox, and click none here, this one if you want just to transfer only your videos, and click next, and then just connect your Facebook with Dropbox. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.